Hi, it's Julie from Uteach. Today we'll speak about importance of email marketing, and in the end I will share with you 7 important tips for you to have successful email marketing. If you're interested, let's get started. It's more stable than social media marketing. Of course, social media marketing is highly effective and it gives you a lot of benefits, but here we have a little problem. Social media has changed their algorithms from time to time and you need to be attentive to change your tactics. But with email marketing, you have stability. You just need to have good email list and you will have successful email marketing. So we can conclude that if we have stability, messages, voila, we have good email marketing. That's it. You can customize your subscribers' experience. How? Email marketing gives the opportunity to segment your email list into a group of people with similar interests, hobbies, occupations, because in this case, if you have good segmentation, if you have good targeted email list, you will have successful email marketing because people will not ignore your messages, will not delete your messages, your content will be interesting for them. Second important point is that opt-in is everything. Ensure that every subscriber on your email list is acquired through opt-in, because in this case, your subscribers request to be on your email list and your emails will not end on spam or they will not be deleted. People request to be on your email list, which means that they are interested, they want to receive notifications from you. This is also called permission-based marketing. Who doesn't like emojis? You know that emojis have huge positive effect on KPI. Emojis effect on open rate, click rate, response rate. 44% of users are more likely to purchase products advertised using emojis. Also, emojis used as subject line can increase your click rate by 28%. So keep in mind that you must use emojis in your messages. It will be more beneficial. Can you guess what is the best timing for your email marketing? Let's think together. I have a hint for you. Birthdays! Preparing unique and personalized letters for your customers is crucial for your marketing strategy. Show your customers that they are important for you. Show them that you really care. This is key for your success. Experian has discovered that birthday letters increase transaction rates for 48%, click-through rates for 179%, and open rates for 53%. So use birthday occasions for your successful email marketing. By the way, my birthday is also coming, so in 64 days and 7 hours it will be my birthday. Who has fixed the date? Maybe you can offer me something interesting? Why not? I'm waiting for your surprises. I'm waiting. Can you guess what is the second good occasion for your email marketing? I guess shopaholics will get it first, but let's think together. Black Friday! Black Friday, Black Friday, Black Friday. Black Friday is the best occasion for you to have successful email marketing. All of us look for sales and good offers when Black Friday is coming, but don't forget to prepare your marketing strategy or your letters beforehand, because people expect to hear from you before their shopping day starts. Like, we know that all of us check our email twice a day or 4 times a day because we expect a good suggestion, a good offer. But let me tell you a secret here. Come closer. Don't overdo it, please, because we don't want your mails to end up in spam in the end. Don't overdo it and you will have successful email marketing. Email marketing is also cost effective. It provides a median ROI, return on investment, of 122%, which is 4 times higher than any other digital marketing strategy. Your customers check their email at least twice a day. That's why we can say that email marketing is more cost effective than any other digital marketing. You can expect at least 38% return for every dollar that you invest. Tip number 1. Don't be tempted to buy email lists. Buying a ready-made email list can seem a good solution, but it has a lot of minuses. First of all, you waste a lot of money. The second... What is this? The second minus that we can mention is non-active users. So the list that you buy can include a lot of non-active users. So in the end, your messages will be deleted or ignored, but we don't need this. So don't be tempted to buy email lists. It is not beneficial for you. Tip number 2, use sign-up forms. Using a sign-up form is the single easiest tactic for your email marketing. You can set it up once, place it on strategic pages of your website or blog, and you can have better results. It is also permission-based, so you can use this tip for your success. Tip number 3, collect data from the start. Data is highly important for marketers, and especially quality data is considered gold. Many marketers struggle because
they don't have complete data, or their data is not the one that they desire.
Because they don't have prepared data, or their data is incomplete, or not the one that they desire to have good email marketing. So, to avoid this situation, you just need to have a good data from the start. That is enough to have successful email marketing. Tip number 4, gate content. Gating content is an old lead tactic that marketers use to have successful marketing. For example, white papers, ebooks, templates, or webinars, why not? If you're using gate content, it is important to consider what assets you will gate, at what stage of the funnel, or how you will use it. If you consider all of these points, you can have good email marketing with gate content. Tip number 5, provide your email list health. Your email list is valuable and it will provide your success, so you must consider where your subscribers come from. Do they come from your sign-up forms or social medias or any other channels? It is important because you will have good email marketing strategy considering all of these points. Tip number 6, clean your email list on regular basis. We don't want to have big email list. We just want to have active and healthy email list, because your email list can include a lot of non-active users who will ignore your messages, who will delete your messages because they're just not interested in your content. So you need to reconsider your email list from time to time in order to have healthy email list. That's it. And last but not least, tip number 7. Offer valuable content. Many marketers send offers that promote sales. But believe me, one day your subscribers will get tired of that promotional sales, and you need to keep value. So your mission here is to have content which will be both valuable and interesting, because that is a key to your successful email marketing. If the video was interesting and useful for you, don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel, because we have a lot of good upcoming videos for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!